Annyeonghaseyo Pilipinas and hello world! Ako po si Ryan. Welcome sa Cupcakes po. I got a request from one of my subscribers asking me to do something K-pop related. So today, we will be decorating our cupcakes based on BTS DNA's music video. Let's get started! What you will need is 1.5 cup of flour, 1 cup of sugar, half a cup of cocoa powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, a quarter teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 cup of mint chocolate chips. You would also need half a cup of vegetable oil, half a cup of buttermilk, half a cup of coffee, a quarter teaspoon of mint extract, a quarter teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 2 eggs. Sift all the dry ingredients in a large bowl, starting with the flour, sugar, baking powder, salt, and then add the mint chocolate chips. On a separate bowl, mix the oil, milk, and coffee together with the eggs. Then combine the wet and the dry ingredients together. Using an ice cream scooper, evenly portion out your cupcake batter into your cupcake liners. And then we bake it for 24 minutes. To add color to your frosting, follow the color chart on the Wilton Color Right kit. What you will need to decorate is the Wilton 18-inch piping bag and the Wilton 8B piping tip. The 8B piping tip is the largest star tip from Wilton. I've placed my different colored buttercreams in 12-inch piping bags. The colors that I'll be using today to decorate the Galaxy cupcakes are black, purple, blue, pink, and yellow. Insert the buttercream halfway in the large piping bag starting with the pink and yellow. Place the black buttercream on top, and then we add the blue and the purple on each side. Pipe a swirl on your cupcakes starting from the middle, working your way out and back to the middle. Ta-da! I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I did. So subscribe to my channel now and hit like and share this video to all of your friends. On the comment section below, tell me what you would like to see on my next video. Thanks for watching! Annyeong! See you again next week.